Mic check. 3, 2, 1. Okay, looks like it works. Welcome back, ladies and gents. This is day 222 of backtesting Feeling Profitable. Today is the 9th of December, last month of the year 2025. So without delay, let's get going. We'll be doing this inversion model in 2021. I'm gonna start it just today. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Right, there we go. Okay, let's do it here. So, as I was saying, today is the 9th of December. It's a Tuesday, and without delay, I think we should just get started with our backtesting session. So I'll be doing this inversion model here. This camera is so disturbing a little bit somehow. Right, so here we go. We'll be doing the inversion model in 2021. Okay, so let's get started and do the first day. MES is here. Okay, so let's start on the daily, obviously, and go to the next day. Right, let's zoom this in. We don't have any buy side targets. Price is already on the all-time highs, so I think we'll be using just standard deviation. We had price poke into this gap here, so I think maybe obviously this new high, we might form a new high of the day. So I also think this high here is a valid target. Okay, so we have a small gap here. I think maybe you can visualize it on the 1 hour. Okay, so maybe it's gonna run here, then start heading higher. I believe maybe it could first head into this gap here. Can be waiting for the run on the low. Okay, so right at the open, the low gets run very fast. Anyways, it's melting heavily. Let's check the 1 hour. Damn. So is it gonna reverse? I'd like to trade it on this reversal here, then long it to this high here. So be targeting the 930 high, and my SL will be around 20 points at the low that created this gap here, of the candle that created that gap. So that means that I will be using 12 micros for this trade. Okay, my stop will be here and take profit this high here. Now let's see if the high gets hit or if we get cooked. about to get cooked. Yep, we are cooked. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So honestly, I think I was so focused on price going higher. Anyways, price has impressed here, so maybe you can see if you can long it. I mean short it at the lows. Let's see what happens. Let's go for the next day. Okay, so end up inversing the daily gap there, and then go on the weekly. I think it's really gonna drop to this weekly low here. I'm checking the 4 hour. You can see we've got some small retracement into this gap, like just a small poke, but I would like to see it continue to this low here. So let's see where this goes. So there is a set of equal highs here. So I'm gonna be waiting for a run of the high, obviously. Okay. Price has now run this high here. This one here. And yes, obviously has done the same thing. And the high here ends up getting taken out as I wanted it to get taken out. Even though I was looking for a shot, to be honest. How about I short it at this inversion here and target this low here, but this will be like a corrective move short. We'll do 500 over 26 here. It will be around 19. Let's see if we can get this 1.3R here. Oh. Damn, we're getting cooked at the start of the year. Okay. Got now a run on the low here that I was expecting. Okay, we've got a small poke into the 15-minute. And I've also got this high here. And a couple of inversions such as this one here. And this one. Okay, so let's see if it's 1.8. Can save this 1.8R here. Damn. Okay, let's go to the next day. So we have a run on this low here. Would still like to long it. Have the lowest hanging fruit, which is this 4-hour gap here. Still think maybe you can take some longs here. Run this low, and the 5 run this low here. And the high here gets tapped into. We're checking the 4-hour. Now that we've got an inversion, I think on this retracement here I could short it, but then it's in a 5-minute gap, so let's let this one move. Let's go to the next day here, 7th January. Okay, I think we're in some sort of consolidation here, but I can't determine that by this here. Anyways, we have this gap here and this gap here. I honestly would like to short it. There's another bearish gap, so I would like to see some reason to short it, such as a run on the high. Let's see what happens. Got a crazy SMT here, but I think this high obviously is gonna get taken out because the way price is moving, it's not some sort of bearish move as I was expecting. Damn, this is a crazy PA though. I'm gonna long this thing now. Over an SMT here. Let's see if we can have the okay, it's consolidating. There is also this Let's wait for the open now. So okay, there's an SMT here. Oh, there is small gap there. So, but there isn't a gap that I could long it from. Like, it's not the best setup yet. So now I've got something like this. I think I might long it for 40 points, let's see. I'd like to put my stop at this low here maybe. So that will be around 12, obviously. It's going really slow. So this was an SMT, and so this is a run on the high, and price starts to go lower. Okay, we get yet another inversion. It's the 1 hour, and it's choppy, too choppy. There's this one here. Right now I'm checking the daily. I have the daily low here, so I think maybe it hits the daily low, then starts to go higher. Let's just wait and see. Then here's another SMT, run on the lows, then poke into the daily. I honestly would like to long it because of this run here, but price is not giving me any opportunity at all. It's going really slow and not the best PA, I can say. Okay, now we get the run on this low here. Okay, then we get a small gap here that holds. There's also an SMT here. Now we don't have any inversion just yet, and here goes the inversion. So I could have longed it obviously probably over here, but since I have to wait for the inversion, I can take it towards here. Let's do 500. Let's buy it towards here. We have had 5 consecutive losses so far. Let's go to the next day. We're getting cooked today, apparently. We've got another run on the lows. Don't know if it's gonna go higher, but I would like to see it go higher. London high here. So we've got this run here now. It's a 30-minute gap, and Asia highs have been run obviously. I think maybe it could draw lower, and the reason is it would be like a short-term trade. Let's see. Got a run here and an SMT as well. How big is this inversion here? Around 4 handles. Let's take a trade with the stop here, then target maybe this low here. That's at the open right here, the opening low, because it's also a liquidity point. So that's 12. Let's see. First win of the session finally. And look at how far it drops. Jesus Christ. This is insane. It ends up dropping to this low here. Look at this 857 low here. 2.8. Wow. And let's see, will it continue lower? I don't know. Anyways, this was a good trade. Run on this low. I think it's gonna reverse again and start going higher. Let's see. Until the next day. There is this thing here, this gap here. I think it's holding. Let's see how this candle here closed. Like it's went higher. Let's see. Retracement to consequent approachment. I think it's going to go higher. London high from yesterday. I would like to see it go higher. Still have some liquidity here. I'd like to see it get a run. Okay, we got a retracement to the 15-minute gap and the run on this low here. I think I'd long it to this high now. Okay, here is the inversion. So here is the run on the low and the SMT. So let's see how this one here goes. Right, few minutes and let's see the result. Banger. So after this run on this high, then price starts to reverse. Let's see. Reverses at this candle here. Okay, so this was 5 longs yesterday. Okay, let's see if we can find some more longs for today. I think we're bullish probably. Also have a good 4-hour gap here and high here. I'll have a run on the lows. Price is not in any gap. Okay, so in a 4-hour gap actually. So now let's see if I can long it today. Okay, got a run on this high here. And the run on this low here. It's going to consolidate. I have Asia highs here, by the way. It's going slow now. TradeZilla is going real slow. Right, we've got a 30-second inversion. How about I long it on this 30-second inversion after this run on these lows here, and target this 936 high. I'd like to see it go to this high, but ES has already hit that high. Now I'm afraid of, taking the risk for this long time. I think I'm holding on too much to this one because it looks like it doesn't want to go to the Asia highs, to be honest. Finally. Bro, this took years. Look at how many times I was tested. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how long did this trade take? Took around 52 minutes. Damn. Let's go to the next day. What's up, trading? Yeah, that was a good trade. And as you said, you come with winners if you like pull the video to the at the time I started. I was in some deep drawdown, but all of a sudden I managed to get the account out of drawdown because you can see it's a new session that I've just started. But yeah, it was a really great trade, even though it took long. Anyways, I'm gonna remove this and do some new analysis as well. It's still January. Let's go to daily and see. Okay, weekly. How was weekly? Okay, I would still like to see it go higher. Price is still in this gap here, but this small retracement here shows that it might disrespect it, so I will be cautious trying to long this day here. Now checking the 4-hour. Well, we've got a gap that has been reversed here. This low here is still standing, this low here and this one. So if it tries to short, I would like to target these lows here. Now we've got our high here, got run. So there are two things that could happen. It's possible that it could go lower, run the low, then continue higher, or just continue higher. So let's see what happens. Now we're still in the 1 hour. Checking the 4-hour, there's nothing much. 1 hour on the other side, price has run this high. Consider ES hasn't, so I think it might start to short actually instead of going long as I expect. Yeah, for sure. I'm backtesting the same model. It's just a different year. This is 2021, and if I manage to finish this 2021, I will have finished 5 years worth of data. The sweep here. So let's just wait for the open. I have relatively equal highs here. And Asia highs run, and this high run. think this could be a sign to start shorting. And yet another high, another one higher. Okay, we've got now a 2-minute inversion right here. So it's 20. I'd like to short it because of the run on these highs here, Asian highs, and this high and this high here. So maybe we'll like to short it this low here and this one. Let's see how far this is. This is 50 points far. Well, let's see if we can get some 50 points for the day. This is a 2.4 hour trade. Right, let's short this. Let's just wait and see. Damn, look at this. Look at this top out. Damn, bro, getting stopped out and then price absolutely reverses. So this is an insane thing. So you can see that yesterday ended up being bearish and price has now run this low. If it continues to show me shorting signs, I will be looking for more lower targets. Bro, I'm getting liquidated. I'm getting absolutely smashed. Right, no gap on the 4 hour, but I've got some sell side 1 hour, small gap there. So I think I would like to see it now go here. Yeah, those wicks are crazy. Alright. Why isn't price running this high before dropping? I've got a run on this high here now. It's a small 5-minute gap. Damn. So we are in some drop markets. You can see here. But the 4 hour has, after running this low, you can see it's created some good gaps. So if we zoom this thing in, think this high here and this low. I'd like to long it. Now press, I believe it has tapped into the huge 4-hour here. Let's see if it longs. I've got this here, and there's a sweep. Right, so let's see if I can long it for 1.7 hour here. By the way, did you leave FX replay to TradeZilla? Is one better than the other? Well, I can say TradeZilla is slightly better, because the reason I prefer it is 2-in-1: journaling, backtesting. Like, I have all my data in one place, so they both basically do the same thing. It's just that in one platform I can have both features that I want, instead of using Notion and FX replay. Like, I have journaling one platform and backtesting in the same platform, so I think that's why I prefer, actually that is why I prefer TradeZilla. That's the only reason that made me switch from FX replay. But FX replay is also fire. I mean, they also introduced some challenge stuff, like prop from challenge simulation, but just the fact that they don't have some journaling discouraged me from working with them, so I decided to get all the money and put it together in TradeZilla. So the highs here, let's see if it get liquidated right away like it's happening in these sessions, or if we can get to take profit for once at least. It will be the second one of the session if it just happens to hit. Okay, it's a little bit slow, and we're done. We are stopped out here, I think. Come on, it's playing around now. Let's see the 15.5. What is it doing? It's playing around for sure. We're stopping like in one huge ass candle. Now it's 10:45. I wasn't stopped out yet, but it's been consolidating for the last few hours, and we still have a data high here. Wait, is the data high? It's just the opening high at 9:30. So why can't it just fly there? Just gonna sit and wait. You know what? I'm gonna close it. I'm just gonna close it because it's choppy. It's not a position I would like to be in, anyways. And though it will just like fly to take profit, I'm no longer interested in holding it. Let's just watch the way it consolidates. I'm only human after all. Next day. Wow, this day was a pretty fire long day. You see, after it hit my stop at 11, started pushing higher, and at 12 it hit the take profit, this high here. This was a fire session. I'm only human after all. I'm By the way, mood trading. How was the markets? If you happen to trade, how did you find it? Was it easy markets, hard markets, or was it just shopping around? Right. So the 4 hour is bullish. 1 hour, it's printing bullish candles as well. Already have a bullish gap here. This one I can't mark it and before this candle here closes because it hasn't closed yet. Now if we go to the 15, you can see there are also a couple of gaps, so you might try to long it on the next retracement, which we get at 9:30. But nothing on the 1 minute. Nothing there for me on the 1 minute. I think they also have the journaling feature recently, but it looks non-user friendly. Huh. So FX Replay has journaling feature? I haven't checked it. Let's see. FX Replay journaling. How to journal. No way. Does it journal like the trades from the live markets? Because the thing I like about TradeZilla is because it automatically syncs with the trades that I took, and it has some good insights, so I don't think I'm ever quitting. Let's see. This trading journal doesn't just track, it improves, help you increase consistency, boost results, your strategy. Alright. Free with any FX replay plan. I no longer have any plan though. Let's try logging in and see. I'm only human. Connecting to an account. Wait, so it also connects to accounts? This new one? This journal? I thought it was like the one they had from the backtesting stuff. Trading without a target, like being bullish but not having a target, is insane. Okay, let's see if we can take some small longs here. So have you tried out the TradeZilla journal? No trading. Have you tried the TradeZilla journal out? It will be a 1-to-1 again. So that's 500 over 36. Take around 14. So let's see if we can fire it up to this high. End up getting stopped out, and then price hits take profit right there. Let's check it out. Where's the journal? Okay. Live FX journal. Soon we'll be replacing this journal with a new experience. It looks like it's bringing a new journal actually. Ooh. Okay, this is a great one actually. I think they're doing something great here by bringing the live trade journal. And comparing to TradeZilla, I think actually FX Replay has slightly lower price rates. But yeah, I think I might recommend it to some people, even though I don't think I'm gonna switch, but we'll recommend it to some people. I'm only human. Man, look at how we got stopped out at break even. So That's normal. Let's go to the next day. Yeah, I obviously went in live here. You can see here live, like they tell me to add trades and everything will be filled automatically. How do I add an account though? Create account. Wait, how do they sync it? How do they sync it? Let's say for example I add top step account. So 50k. Deposit date. Okay, let's see. Like, will it sync with the broker? I don't think it does syncing with the broker though, because you can see like they show me the account and I add everything else manually, and I obviously put the general stuff here. Okay, so then we get another bullish day here. Prices in this 4 hour. So I believe this will be our lowest hanging fruit. Trading accounts. Sorry, let's replay trading accounts. Okay, yeah, they're still the same. Oh, yeah, here is the syncing. Okay, that's nice. See trader, Trade8, MetaTrader. Wow, this is great. And I actually don't have a pro plan, do I? Nope, I don't have a pro plan, so this is nice. You can sync it with Trade8 and MicroTrader, MetaTrader 5. I think this is fire. I'm already in trading accounts, man. Let's see. After analytics on the top part. Yeah, I'm already in trading accounts. Okay, you can upload the file or manual account or sync it. Damn. This is so fire though. Okay, let's continue with backtesting session here. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour. We've had price run this low. We also have what I think will be a data high if there were some news, and it's a data high. Obviously you can see at 8:30 it's there. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, at the open, price runs this low, very good. Now if it inverses, we can start longing it and accumulating some good longs. Have a 2-minute inversion, 2-point inversion here. I'm going to long this. I'm going to long this towards here. My stop around here. So that would be around 12 micros. Okay, let's just wait and see. Get cooked right away. Very normal. Let's see what happens. Checking the 15. Just run the Asia low here. Then price started to deliver high. Now it's consolidating. And then bang to the take profit there. now we have an SMT here at these lows. It's a 30-minute and a 15-minute gap. I would like to long it, but we don't have any inversions here. That's the only problem. Okay, let's go to the next day. Yesterday was not that big, around 140 points movement. New day, we have an SMT at these lows. ES has already run the lows with a couple of gaps there as well. The 1 hour has been dropping slowly, so I think it's probably gonna head lower as well, even though there is this SMT. Let's see, maybe it runs the highs here or here and then starts to deliver lower. That's what I think will happen today. Wait for the open. Okay, there it is. Run on the highs here. Okay, let's see what highs will run actually. So price runs these ones here from London, then starts going lower. So let's see if you can join on the short towards this low. Wow, you entered the GJ trade, now it's ranging on the entry. When did you enter that GJ trade, man? Because I think if you entered like in the afternoon, obviously like in that would be like in the late hours of New York. It obviously has to range 1.6 hour 20. I'm just waiting for the new day open proper spread to take me out. Bro, you can close it if it's not in any drawdown, but even if it's in drawdown you can just close it, man. Well, my experience with the market today was something just normal. I took a long, closed off some partials for around 300 bucks, and then the rest got stopped out at break even. I think it's because the market was really slow. I took a really great setup. I'm not realizing what just happened here. Taking a loss is normal, man. Taking a loss is really normal. It's something that you don't have to debate about. The only loss there is disrespecting your rules. That's a loss. But taking a good trade, bro, that's the best. It's a win. I technically would call that a win. If you took a trade that was in your setup, everything else aligned, bro, that is a win. Right, this chart here was consolidating. Let's check out the next day. It was this 25th of January. I can't believe it's been 25 days already. We will finish this session soon, I believe. This what's it called? This 2022 model soon. Anyways, I'm gonna close the session here. It was a really great one. We've just started another backtesting. What's it called? It's another backtesting. Here we which is 2021. The impression model was a great one. Always shout out to Mood Trading. He's the GOAT. Shout out to you. We're gonna close the session here, and until next day, stay blessed, go get some wins, and peace.